Hello.
Hello, teacher.
My name is Teacher Jonna. What's your name?
My name is Helen.
And how old are you, Ellen? Helen?
I am 11.
11. Okay. Now let's look at the next page. Okay. So for part 1, I'm going to ask you some questions about jobs. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
So what is his job?
Clown.
He is.
He is clown.
Yes. 2.
She is cook. She is empty. She is doctor. He is farmer. She is boss-star.
Number 6 is
Film star.
film star. Yes.
She is nurse. He is pilot. He is boss-star.
Pop star. Okay. Now for the next part, this is a picture story. It's called Children Like Painting. Now look at picture 1. Where are they?
They are 4 people
Where are they?
in the living room.
Good. They are in the living room. Now what are Claire and Julia doing? What are they doing? They are painting. Good. Okay. Now picture 2. What is Mom doing?
Mom is check a phone.
Talking on the phone. Is Charlie sitting on the chair?
No.
No. Picture 3. What is Charlie doing now?
Charlie draw in the wall.
On
the wall.
the yes. And picture 4. Is Mom
Mom.
happy?
No.
No. What is Mom doing now?
Mom is
What's this?
go. Mom
What is this?
looking
Okay. Mom is
looking at the Charlie.
a Charlie. Okay. Good. So that's it for picture story part 2. Now for part 3, you're going to describe people. Okay. Now what has he got?
He's got beard.
He's got a beard.
She has got blonde hair. She has got curly hair. He has got fair hair. He has got fat. He is fat. He is soft. She has got straight hair. He has got his teeth. He is thin.
He's thin.
He is tall. He is thin. He has got mouth
mustache. Okay. Now for the last part, let's talk about yourself and your friends. Okay. Now, Helen, can you describe yourself? What have you got? I've got
straight hair and tall.
and
I am tall.
Okay, good. Can you describe your English teacher?
Yes.
She has got
She has got
She has got
He has got straight hair.
and she has got
And she has got teeth. tools.
She's tall.
She tools.
And
And in team.
then, okay, that's it for our speaking test. Thank you.